Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clone Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and now you want to make a clone of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to look for EasyShare in your phone. If you won't get it, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just open Play Store, then go to search, and here just search for EasyShare, and then you can easily install it. As I have already installed, just open the app, and then select device clone from here, and then open this same app in the second phone, just like this. Just open the EasyShare here, and here just select device clone, and then select this is an old device, and here select this is a new device in the second phone, then select Android. Then you must have to scan the QR code, and just scan it to connect. Now wait for it. Here just select connect, and after that these two devices will be connected just like this. Here you can see these two devices are connected. Here your complete phone data you must have to calculate. Here as you can see this is 1.51 GB, and here just select next. Then you can easily use your pin or fingerprint to verify, then select start cloning from here. Then you can have to tap on it, and after that your all data will be transferred to your second phone. So that's how you can easily make Samsung clones. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.